Changing clothes has become super easy with latest Photoshop updates, and today I will exactly show you how you can do it. I have taken an image of a beautiful lady in front of a beach, and today I will transform her beach dress into a something summer dress. So here's how you can do it. So first, you have to go to the object selection tool, and after getting into that, you have to choose select people. After choosing select people, here as you can see, the people automatically get selected, and after choosing into that, you can choose whatever area you like. So for example, I have to change the dress. So for it, I have to choose upper body skin, then I have to choose the upper clothes, then I have to choose the lower clothes, and I have to choose the legs as well. After choosing that, click on the apply, and as you can see, there is automatically get selected the area, and now we have to generate the outfit we want on this lady. So for it, we have to go to the generative fill, and if you are unable to see the generative fill, what you have to do, just go to window, and then as you can see, there is contextual taskbar is checked. Uncheck it and it's gone. After that, click on it and it will automatically appears up. Now we have to go to the generative fill, and I will type something like pink floral summer dress, and now I have to click on generate. After clicking on generating, and it will automatically generate something best results for you. Cool. As you can see, there is some options for you, like the first one, the second one, and the third one. So I personally like the second one, and if you don't like the variations, you can generate more as you wish. And as you can see, there is 6 variations available. So there is the first one, the second one, the third one, the previous one, and this looks very good. So I am choosing that, and after choosing that, there is, you can see, there is image upscale option. I am clicking on that, and it will upscale the image and enhance the overall detail of the generative result. And boom, it is done. Let's test the same thing on a more complex photo. So I have a more complex photo, and of the same lady, of course. So for it, I just go to the select people and choose the lady, and after choosing that, I choose upper clothes, I choose lower clothes, I choose accessories, and I choose the upper body skin and the arms as well. After choosing that, then click on apply, and it will automatically select the area. After selecting the area, go to the generative fill and type whatever you want. So for example, I choose red beautiful dress and click on generate. And boom, it's done. As you can see, there is 3 options available. There is second one, that is third one, and this is the first one, and I like the first one as well. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can still generate whatever you wish. So in the second generation, you will get some this type of variations, and I personally like this variant. And this is how you can change the outfit of the model based upon your marketing campaign. And I must say that Photoshop has crazy generative AI features that nobody does it better. Thank you so much for watching this video, my friend. I will see you next time.